Hello students, today I'll be showing us how to format our paragraphs in Microsoft Word 216. Talking about paragraph formatting. Paragraph formatting is an important aspect of creating good, professional, that is acceptable looking document in Word. When a document is formatted properly and the text is well spaced and put in the right place, the reader will have more interest in the content. Now, for our document to be accepted and for readers to find interest in what we've written, it is always good we carry out a paragraph formatting, which involves arranging our text properly, the spacing, and also the alignment, arranging everything, making sure our paragraphs are well spaced and well arranged. That will help to encourage the reader to continue reading or find interest in reading what we have in our document. Now we can format our paragraphs using the following: alignment, line and paragraph spacing, indentation of paragraphs, borders and shadings, bullets and numbering, and etc. Now all these are part of the formatting we can apply to our paragraphs. Now, to carry out these changes, we often make use of the commands in the paragraph group. Now here are the different commands we have in the paragraph group. This is the paragraph group and the various commands we have there. Okay, now let's look at the different names of this paragraph group. We have these commands have different names. As you can see here, we have the bulleted list. Yes, this is one of the commands we can use in formatting our paragraphs. We have here the multi-level list, the number list. As you can see, we have here the indent, increase or decrease indent. We have here the spacing, okay, that's line spacing. We have here show or hide non-printable characters, okay. We have here sort. We have here border options. We have here background color options. We have here left alignment, center alignment, right alignment, and justify alignment. Here is what the dialog box launcher. Now the dialog box launcher, once it is clicked, brings up this dialog box. Okay, now this dialog box contains more formatting options we can apply to our paragraphs. Okay, here you can see we have the alignment, indentation, spacing, and so on, line spacing, and so on and so forth. So we use this mostly if we want to get more functions or more formatting options we want to apply to our paragraphs. So here is a clear description of what the dialog box that when we click gives us. Also, that the dialog box launcher, that when we click brings forth the dialog box. Okay, so you can see that what being circled and identified or shown there. Okay, now looking at alignment, we are going to look at alignment, and also we are going to look at how to do them practically. Now alignment is also known as justification. Determines how document text align with margin. Okay, this can be done in 4 ways: left alignment, right alignment, center alignment, and justify. This one, what the function of this alignment helps us to determine how we want our text to appear. Should it appear towards the left alignment, towards the left of our document, towards the center of the document, or towards the right of the document? Or do we want the Microsoft Word to help us arrange to look for the best way to place the document? Then we use the justify alignment. Okay, now so we're going to go straight into the practical application of what I've said. Already I have a saved document. I'm going to open that document now in Word, and then I'm going to show you how to format that document and see how the left alignment, right alignment, center alignment, justify works. Okay, you can see here this is a document containing what, a letter. Okay, now we want to see how we can apply alignment to this letter here. Now already we have the left alignment already what applied. Now we can actually what do all the different alignment we have. Okay, to do that, I'm going to first of all select my text. So I will left click, drag. Okay, select the text first, and once I've selected already, my text has here the left. You can see align left, that's left alignment. Now let's see the center alignment. These are the center alignment. So I left click on it. You can see how it has aligned the text. Now we talk about margin. This is the margin of this document. This is the left margin, where this where you see this symbol here forms the left margin of my document, while this other part forms the right margin. Okay, so when we talk about left alignment, it means you should align it towards this side. When we talk about center alignment, you should align the text, arrange the text towards the center of the document. Okay, now we have here the right alignment, meaning you should align this text towards the right hand side. So if you're going to see now, once I left click on the right, align right, you're going to see the document what align this way. So I left click on that, you can see it has what moved the text from this point and push everything here. And you can see there are free space here, a free flow of text here. There's a free space here. So that's the what do you call it, the right alignment. Then we have what justify. This one is you're telling the text to distribute the text evenly between both the left and right margin. You're going to see how Microsoft Word is going to do that now. So once I left click on this justify alignment, you can see how that works. It's what spread the text across between the two margins. You can see Miss is here, Ella is at the middle, Jackson is towards the is at the right margin. So you can see how this works. Also, we can apply this alignment to images, not only to text. We can also apply this alignment to images, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Now what I'm to do now, I'm going to create what, a new document, Microsoft Word document. To do that, I'll come here to my file tab, left click, and then I will select here new. You can see new option here, left click on the new, and then I will select blank document. Now you can see I have a blank document now. So I want to what, format an image. So I'll go to my insert bar or insert tab. I'll left click on insert tab here. You can see the insert tab, and then you can see a picture. So I'll bring in a picture. I'll insert a picture. So I'll left click on the picture, as you can see, then brings up this dialog box. Okay, I'll pick this a flower for you, and then I'll click insert. So you can see I have what, a flower. Now what I'm going to do next is I will reduce the size of this flower so that you can actually see the alignment of this image. So I'll come here to reduce the size. I'll come here, left click on this point and drag. Can you see the size is what, going down? I'll keep on doing that until it reduces. You can see I'll left click again and drag. Okay, I think this size is okay, or we can still take it a bit. Okay, so now you can see the text is small. Now I want to show you how we can actually align this my picture, align it to the left, right, center, and then justify. Okay, so we'll go back. Once we've done this now, is now at the what, format tab. I want to see the different formatting we need to go to the home tab. So I'll left click on the home tab, as you can see. Now on the home tab I have what, here the left alignment and so on. So now already is at the left alignment. So I'm going to what, select now the center alignment and see what happens. Now you can see immediately I click center alignment, it takes what, the picture to the center of the page. Okay, I'm going to click on right alignment, this right alignment. So I left click, you can see it takes it to the right margin, right hand part. It aligns it to the right margin. Okay, then I'll click on justify. Okay, justify, you see this one is different from text. For justify, its functions are in the same way as that of the left alignment. So you can see the function of what, the alignment option, how we format text and also images using what, alignment. Now to do the alignment using the paragraph dialog box, what I need to do is to come here to the dialog box launcher. You can see it here, and left click on it. And once I left click on it, it brings up this dialog box, paragraph dialog box, and here you can see here this page talks about the general alignment. So now if I want to align my text, I will what come here. You can see it's already at justify. If I left click here and select left, and I what come down here and say okay, you can see how it does. It has what aligned my text towards the left hand side. Okay, I can also align it to the center. So what I need to do again, I'll click on the dialog box launcher, I'll left click on it, and then I'll select the alignment, left click and select center, and I'll hit OK. So you can see centers it. Again, I click on the dialog box launcher, I will left click on it, and then I will left click on the alignment here, and I can choose a right. Once I do that, I come down here and click OK. So you can see that's another way of doing what the alignment of our what document. I'll be showing you a document, and that document is can be made to look more better by applying paragraph formatting. Now this is a document. Now this document can be made to look more better by what applying what paragraph formatting, and also character formatting. Now looking at this document, you agree with me that we can look for better alignment to it. Okay, so let's see which alignment will better suit this. Already the document is on has a left alignment. We are going to check other alignment to see which one will be okay for it. So what I'll do, I'll left click here to select the text, drag and select the text. Okay, then I'll come to my alignment icon. So I have one here. I'll left click this left alignment. Okay, already on left alignment. I'll click the next one, center alignment. Center alignment. Okay, I think let's check and see if we can get other ones. Okay, right alignment. No, this one is not good. Okay, let me look at justify alignment. So I left click. Okay, I think this is better. You can see the texts are evenly distributed. Okay, so I think I'll go with this the justify alignment. Okay, next thing I'll do is this is a topic. So what I'm going to do, the topic, I'll use the character formatting to format the topic. So I'll left click here, drag and select the topic. Then I'll first of all make it bold. Okay, and then after change it to what uppercase. They change the case to uppercase. Okay, now the topic itself, I'll select it. I'll capitalize each of the word. So I'll say capitalize each of the word. Okay, and then I will make them bold. Okay, then also the text here, you can see Bible text. This text is what text. I'm going to select it. I will make it bold, and then the name here Matthew. Okay, Matthew. What I will make it capitalize the first letter. Matthew is a proper noun, so I'll make it capital letter. Okay, and what else? Okay, we have introduction, so I'll make it what bold. Okay, for emphasis sake. Okay, and also I'll make it start with capital letter. So I'll capitalize each word. Okay, now here we have notes. So I'll select the notes also. I'll make it bold so that people will easily see it and take note of it. And also I'll capitalize the first word, the first letter in the word note, N. I'll capitalize N. Okay, now you can see the text looks more better compared to when the formatting was not applied, compared to when the formatting was not applied. Okay, so you can see to make my text look better, I applied what the paragraph formatting called alignment. I align the text using justify alignment. Initially it was on what it was on left alignment, but I looked at the document and said this document can be made to look more better by using justify alignment, and also by using character formatting to change the size of my text, bolding the text, and so on. Thank you.